Okay, on this first slide here, we have three good and bad examples of legibility. The first one here, we see that it's bad because the ascendants and descendants are actually overlapping, and there's much space in between the words. Unlike here, which is good, you can actually read each word for word without getting much of a headache or trying to decipher what's going on. And also here, this is just annoying to read, to be honest. I don't have time to read this. I'd rather just read this. It's right to the point. I can understand it without too much difficulty. Our very last one here, the C did what it liked. It's just all just so close together. All the letters are way too close. Here I can actually see each individual word without having to struggle. And there's a lot more space in between the words also. And on this slide here, we have three good and bad examples of readability. Here we have a nice one because everything just seems to have a rhythm to it. I can continue reading without any pause. And here is just all over the place. Like after a minute, it gets annoying to read to like right here. And after that, I just don't want to read it anymore. With this one here, this video was filled with the rich odor of roses. It's not that bad, but the only things that I really saw here was some of the ascendants and the descendants are kind of touching, like here, and these are almost touching also. A little bit more space would be nice. And here, this is fine because a lot of space. I can tell each individual word from the other. And here, this is also good because of the same reason. Everything is spaced out, easy to read. You can read word for word. But here's just so much space in between this, it's honestly bad. Some of the words actually touching, like intelligence, purpose here, planning and honest, ascendants and descendants keep touching every time. And down here is just chaotic, everything just no spacing in between or anything. And that's it for this PowerPoint.